It's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. E equals innovation into style. However, the formula for sporty luxury in this E-Class is anything but formulaic. The design is chiseled and confident, the cabin elegant and sporty, and the performance adds up to an unforgettable drive. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. External memory control, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, 3 12-volt power outlets, heated steering wheel, V6 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. This from Edmunds.com. Mercedes-Benz E-Class continues to epitomize the modern mid-sized luxury car with its sophisticated technology, elegant furnishings, and a wide selection of engines and features. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.